pretty good right now. Ken's already on it with the coilovers. This side's already out, or basically coming out.
Coilover bolt. You have to make sure to loosen this guy, your sway bar bolt, or it's gonna pinch your coilover and it won't come out.
And then these are the H&R springs that we put in like a couple years ago, and they're still good. I mean, they're in good shape. Gotta get that weight reduction.
You're gonna have to if you want to put those back in anyways.
All right, got the right side out. Get the up close and personal shot. Oh, all right.
Get out of there.
This thing is caked in mud.
That's silk.
I have to take out this strap real quick. Oh, look at these things. These things are covered in dirt. That was when I went to El Mirage. Look at this. Now I took out the strut after taking off the top hat bolts and the sway bar bolt, the coilover bolt, and the one that holds this. It's like the knuckle bolt. Now we're gonna adjust those, and yeah, let's get to it. So we test fitted these in the car. From the difference between the two, it's a big difference. Even the height, it's like a whole 2 inches. It's crazy.
Tighter than 8.5, right at 8. But we won't know any of that until we set load onto your car. So we just have to set the right height right now. I mean, since it's not even set to anything right now, we kind of just have to eyeball the first.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay, this is perfect right here.
All right, time to put this in. Using the new mounting bolts. These bolts are nice. Just some good fitment.
This is technically the amount of space you have.
Oh, okay.
So that's actually set pretty good. Some people would adjust this like super far down here, and then it'd give them like only a 1/4 of an inch of play here, and then they'll just be riding on their bump stops, and they're like, my coilovers run like shit.
Oh,
Well, you're
okay.
riding on bump stops. But this side and that side are different. Measure this, and then do the same to the other side.
Ride height test. Number 1.
It's still some suspense.
I know, right? The suspense. I guess I'll roll back.
Oh wait, maybe go forward a little bit. Oh wait, oh no, oh you're right. You can go back. You're over it.
Dude, it looks good. What happened? That was long.
Got that weight reduction in the trunk. How to get roasted on YouTube. There we go. Oh. Oh, dang.
So, we have to figure out which one is left and which one is right.
That wouldn't work.
Well, and the camera is going this way. You put it in this way, the camera's going front and back.
Oh, okay. How to add this simple aesthetic. Just some good aesthetic points right here. Okay, so that's the camber bolt.
This is why you need to get our alignment done, because even though that's put in its place, it still has that much play.
All right, let's see if I can do this. Give it a gander, shall we? Look at that, boys. Getting the coilover off. So jack coming in handy right now. This thing's heavy. How is this supposed to line up? Let's see.
Oh, you need to stick a jack under there and lift it up.
Oh yeah. One more. Alright, right there I think should be good.
You got it?
Yeah. There we go. Woo! And for this one, there we go. Camber bolt that goes on top.
What makes it a camber bolt?
This right here. And then as it rotates, it pushes this in or out.
It does?
I'm pretty sure, right? I don't know. Don't make me second guess. I hope I'm right. If I turn it. I don't know. I thought that's what it does. What the heck? All right, test fitment. Isn't that crazy?
What is it? What does normal wheels do?
Ceramic coated anymore. See, it like sticks on like that. All right, look at that. So now everything is finished. Yeah, I know, it's a little dirty back there from the mud when I went off-roading. It's just silt, so it'll come off. There they are, the Shinoda coilovers. Those coilovers are so clean, and my WRX is sitting so well now, and I'm freaking in love with how the car looks. Like, literally, I fell in love again with the car. It's looking great, as always. And plus, I got the fitment dialed in the front. Let me straighten out the wheel real quick. If you guys remember the front of Maddy, the front end was a little bit high. That's what it was with the H&R lowering springs that I had before this. Ran those H&R lowering springs for 2 years, and I've had no issues with the struts. They had no problems for me, and they honestly worked great. The ride quality was awesome. It improved the steering capabilities of Maddy, and I honestly would recommend it if you're trying to lower your car quick and at an affordable price. But the one thing that you're gonna have to deal with is the rake that goes in the front. I fixed the rake, and I have the wheel gap about 2 finger lengths, and in the rear about 2 finger lengths as well. The reason why I didn't slam Maddy is, if you guys know, if you guys see my car, the wheel, it's a little aggressive how it pokes out. I'm about to tell you my official plan that I have for Maddy and the look that I'm going for. So these tires, these are Hankook Ventus TDs. They're the racing ones. The treadwear, where's the treadwear? Well, I can't find it, but the treadwear is 80 on this car, and that is honestly so crazy low. They're extremely grippy tires, and they're not gonna last me long at all. I wanted to give myself some room. These fenders are not rolled yet at all. I don't have to deal with any rollings just yet, but my look that I'm gonna be going for is I'm gonna get 235s, 45s, 17s. With that look, hopefully I want to get a more square tire setup going on with that, so then there's no lip showing from the wheel. And then I'm gonna add a little camber tomorrow at the alignment shop so the lip of the wheel matches up with the fender, so that'll be dialed in. But then with this tire setup, it's gonna be sticking in more, so that's why I'm gonna be getting the 235s, 45s, and hopefully it fills out the wheel well a little bit more. And then after that, I'm gonna see how it looks at this ride height. And if I could go lower, I'm gonna definitely lower it more. So it's just all like a little step-by-step process that I'm taking this with. I'm not trying to rush anything. That's what I should advise you guys as well, not to rush anything. Like, car stuff, it's fun. You wanna get it all done in one go because you're just so impatient. You wanna get it, like, you just wanna see how it looks, right? But I highly recommend you guys to take your time, do the research, make sure that everything checks out, and make sure that everything is properly done, so you don't have any issues or any hiccups by skipping step. Like, if you guys remember, maybe like a couple months ago, I think, when I first got these wheels, I was so lost. I was like, do I get coils? What tire size do I get? These wheels are aggressive, blah, blah, blah. And I was just so nervous with this aggressive wheel setup, but I got some little seasoning that's gonna go on to Maddy, just a good seasoning, and it's gonna be looking fantastic. So I just hope you guys stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys also like this cinematic that I'm about to do right now. So peace out, guys, and until the next video, posts every Sunday, follow my Instagram and Snapchats, and be so positive. Like and subscribe, comment, DM me, I don't know, do whatever, but be so positive. That's the #1 thing. Peace out. Pop, poop, poopity pop, poop, poop, poopity pop, poop, poop.